Well, in emergency situations, first responders need accurate, detailed information, especially with the coronavirus pandemic. And that's where dispatchers come in, an important role they play. Bryan Hofmann joins us live outside the Washoe County Emergency Communications Center and has more on this week, which is celebrating these dispatchers, and so timely. Bryan.
Definitely, Kristen. Now, usually when you call up in an emergency situation, dispatchers are the first one that you talk to, and they're tasked with the very important job of giving reliable, detailed information to those first responders. It's something that's even more important with the coronavirus pandemic.
Checking for a vehicle versus a building. It's a blue Mitsubishi. Reporting party believes the driver to be 1055.
Dispatchers are in charge of taking every emergency call, be it a fire or a car crash like this one from this morning. In 2019 alone, the Reno Public Safety Dispatch Center took over 480,000 emergency calls. But because of COVID-19, they also need to alert first responders of any possible COVID-19 related illnesses when they show up on scene.
We are taking more time on the calls because we are asking those COVID screening questions. And it may sound silly, your car just got broken into and we're asking you about if you have flu-like symptoms or diarrhea,
With COVID-19, we're asking the questions mostly for first responder safety. We don't want them exposed. The more people we have exposed, and if they're not taking safety precautions, that's going to be the less officers that we have on the street to help the public for the actual emergencies.
Thank you for what you do.
Well, on any other year, you would see firefighters, police, and other first responders come out to celebrate Dispatchers Week, like this video from last year.
Now we're kind of isolated. Nobody's allowed in and out of the building. We check all of our employees before they come in. We take their temperature. We spray down their shoes. It's a different type of routine that we're all just trying to get used to.
This year, everyone had to send in their thanks and well wishes from afar to prevent spreading anything.
I thank you so much for your dedicated service and your true compassion and all that you do in our community. We are so blessed to have you.
Dispatchers are often an overlooked position, but one they are proud of doing, knowing that they help the public every day.
In the end, oftentimes we don't know what the outcome is. And unfortunately, people aren't very kind to us when they're calling, and probably because they're calling on their worst day. But for us, we show up every day and we do it to help people.
When you do make those calls, they tell us that the best thing that you could do is just to have patience with the support that people have shown for first responders and for any healthcare professionals. They're just asking you to give them detailed information, and with that information comes a higher quality of help once the rescue does arrive. Covering the story live, Bryan Hofmann, 2 News.